Good morning, everybody. This is Martin with 95 Arrow Boy. It's Tuesday, September. I forgot which particular date it was, but it's 2020. I got my mechanic on his way over here around 8 o'clock ish. It's like around 7 something. It's gonna put in replace the trans axles, or half axles if you want to call it that way. But this is a quick video that of my black car I called Rust Bucket, that was parked over there with a non-running motor, and the motor that was in the van is now in here, and guess what, it runs. So I'm going to give you a quick run. Well, it's not technically cold, but I'm going to say first startup of the day. So I got my keys. I'm going to go mount you over here to the table and then start it up. I'm not going to let it run because I don't want any hot exhaust for my mechanic to burn him. So other than that, let's check it out. There we go. Get you mounted there. Hey, kitty cat. Alright, like I said, I'm not running it for long. They even got some new rims on eBay with, you know, used tires all the way around. A little on the squeaky side, but sounds like an alternator. No biggie. And yes, I do have a cold air that's way down there. It's the reason why I had a bad motor, because that was so low it sucked up water into the motor. I ain't doing it this time. Alright. Until next time, be safe, be smart, call a sober driver.